Well, it's 3:09 a.m. in the morning, February 24th of 2020. Here's Tango sitting here. He wasn't doing it for about 10, 15 minutes, but now he's starting again. You can see how bad he is, and it's a veterinarian. I don't know what they're gonna do. Ooh, that's really bad. Oh no, Tango. Okay, buddy. It's okay. I know it, baby. I know it, buddy. I'm going to have to call that vet tomorrow, well, today. When they open, I'm going to call them, okay? Tell them, man, this medicine just not doing it, and, I don't know what y'all can do, but it's that East Texas veterinarian in Nacogdoches on Stallings Drive. But I don't know. Man, why didn't they do much that day? I mean, there's got to be something they can do, Seriously. Huh, Tango? Ain't that right, buddy? I know, baby. I know it. I know you're sick, not feeling good. This is not good. Anybody got any help? Please let me know what you can do. And please, any donations would be great. Just let me know what you can do for this, please. I just don't know what else to do. Come on, bud. You okay? Come on, people. I mean, it's got to be, y'all have to have a good heart somewhere, please. I mean, I know it's asking a lot, just money, but, I don't think the humane place is going to do it every time whatever, they pay. I don't know if they do or not, but, I mean, I can call them and find out and make sure, but if not, then anybody can do some donations would be great, and I'll give you my email address. Just send me a message, and I'll get it through my Gmail or whichever one I got it associated with. I think it's, Gmail. Anyway, just send me a message, and I'll give you my email, and you can just send it to that PayPal account. And that money be strictly used on him only, nothing else. I'll even send you receipts and proof of that's where that money's going, if that's what it takes. And I will do that. But anyway, anybody got any information or help or whatever, I'd really appreciate it. But now, as you can see, he's sitting there. It's okay now for a minute, But watch him, when he's just sitting there breathing, you'll kind of see him go, kind of puff, watch. See how his stomach went in like that? Go real kind of deep breath and out. Hear him? Maybe y'all can hear him. See, like that. Okay, hold on. He's breathing normally now. Usually taking deep breaths. That's what makes me really get worried when he does that. But anyway, any help would be appreciated. Ain't that right, Tango? Our little buddy. Take a little snapshot. There we go. Picture of him again. Love you, Tango. Be okay. Say hi to the people. Ask them to help you so you can get better. Aww. Yeah. That's a good boy. I know. Maybe somebody help. I mean, the doctor says it's best not do, surgery on him, but look at him. But they say it's best, not to do surgery on him or whatever. Because his age, he's 11 years old. And they even got some paperwork on him. On our little tango here. And I can show you. Here's Tango. I'm going to show y'all a picture. Like his family tree. Okay. Really, really cool. I'm going to snapshot it though for you. Anyway, there he is right there. Date of birth was 5/7/2008. There's the the mama, I guess, Anyway, if y'all want to take a quick picture of that, you can. That was like his family tree, the family tree thing. Really cool. But anyway, look at Tango back then. Boy, he was a little thing, wasn't he? So that was 2008. So that was in May. June, July, August, September, October. Yeah, it was somewhere in October or into October when we got him. He was a little over 5 months old. About 5.5 months, something like that. When we got him, anyway. Look at him, boy. Let me go slow. Y'all can kind of see it. Or pause the video. I know I don't do too good on this video camera. There's his daddy. Tango, there's your daddy right there, the sire, yep. And there was your mama. And there was you. And there is Tango now. Here's Tango now. Yep. Little buddy. Alright, say bye-bye. Maybe you'll be okay for a while. Just sit there, lay there and rest, okay, buddy? Yeah, don't mind my thumb. Been like that past 2-3 months, man. I don't know why that thumb's like that. Hit it with a hammer. It's been like, I don't know how you get rid of how do you get rid of something like that? Somebody tell me. Anyway, alright. Thank you for watching. Let me know if y'all could do any help or anybody. Send me a message and I'll be sure it goes strictly on him. People are always getting donations all the time. How come I'm the only one it seems like I'm the only one nobody wants to help? I don't understand. My videos are too stupid, I guess. Anyway, anybody out there that can help, that's lost theirs, and went through this, which I have once, a couple, mainly with another Chihuahua. He was 9 years old though, had him 3 months, and after that, we waited about a month or so, and we wanted one that kind of looked like Tiny. So if you watch my older videos back in 2008, you'll see those videos. Anyway, love our Tango. Had him so long now, and so used to him, I don't want to lose him. He's my little buddy. Oh, poor little buddy. He's relaxed now. Hope he'll be alright. Wish that medicine would actually start working. And he's got a heart murmur, whatever you want to call that. But yeah, and that cough. So anyway, his breath is usually bad because his teeth are real bad and stuff. They said, but they can't do no anesthesia. They didn't want to do none of that. I was like, dang it. So yeah, anyway, darn. Alright, well thank you for watching. Anybody help, please let me know. Hope I get a bunch of views. My other views only got 6 views so far, and that's been a week. Last week. I don't get it. Anyway, alright, thanks for watching, and bye-bye. Say bye-bye. Say bye-bye. Yeah, I'm gonna get your nails cut. Alright, bye-bye.